Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, The Masked Storyteller. Here we cover crime documentaries, murder mysteries, and horror stories. This is the second video on this channel, and I appreciate all your love and support. So before today's case, I just want to ask a general question. That this is a general observation, which everyone, each one of us should ask to oneself. Suppose if you are in a situation where you see a person getting hit by another one, being hit by anything, or being just be a slap, just be a push, or be getting stabbed at the worst. So what should we do as a citizen there? If we are present over there, what should we do? What should our reaction be? Because if our reaction is that you'll just pass by and will not get involved, so I guess there is something wrong. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है वहाँ पे, which we need to change. That needs to change. That needs to be changed in the entire. We need to be taught about this in the schools as well. And बुरा हमने पढ़ा है ये चीज़, बुरा ना देखो, बुरा ना करो, बुरा ना सहो. So we are the victim. We are actually a part of that crime. When that happens. So let our conscience take over and we do the right thing, I guess. Because अगर एक भी बंदे ने उस दिन अपना कॉन्शियस फॉलो किया होता, थोड़ा सा करेज दिखा के, अगर he or she would have tried that day, so आज एक नादान जान हमारे बीच जिंदा होती. No one cared that day. 20 to 25 people just passed by that murder scene. Nobody dared to stop that guy. And yes, I'm talking about the recent Sakshi Dixit murder case that happened in the Sadab Delhi area of Delhi, where a साहिल जहाँ पे एक साहिल नाम का लड़का 20 years old, he went on killing and stabbing Sakshi Dixit for 34 times. And then he didn't stop there. He went on crushing her head with a stone. And 25 people just passed by him, but nobody dared to stop him. Nobody. They didn't even ask him. That is the surprising thing. The video, when I saw the videos and read the articles, while preparing the script for the case, I was heartbroken. I was really heartbroken. I was ashamed कि जिस सोसाइटी में हम अभी रह रहे हैं, that is only made for candle marches. Only act after the event has been done. We need to do things to stop it. We need to act. As a society, we need to act. Alright, coming back to the story. So we are talking about Sakshi Dixit, and Sakshi Dixit, she is a 16-year-old girl, and the accused or the murderer is Shahil Sarfaraz, who is 20 years old. So they both are from Sadab area of Delhi. Sadab Dairy area of Delhi. So it's a tongue twister. So Sadab Dairy area of New Delhi. So they were there in a lower middle class family, and accordingly so lower middle class में है तो a boy of 20 years of age, उसके ऊपर काफ़ी responsibilities होती है, not just of himself but of the family as well. So Sahil, considering that, he started working odd jobs. So उसने एक repair का shop खोला. He started repairing fridge, electronic items, और वो घर जाके भी ये service provide करता था. And gradually when he started doing it, so he met Sakshi there in that area. और जैसे होता है ना 16, 20, even 22, 23 years तक you fall in love, and you don't know whether that is love or infatuation or just a mere attraction. You cannot say at that time, but yeah, it feels good. We all have been through that, and many who are young listeners, you will go through that. So you'll have a phase in your life where everything feels good, but you cannot do much about it. So उनके बीच में भी वो हुआ. They gradually ventured into a relationship, but it was all good and fine until a day when Sakshi, she shared. होता है ना, when you get comfortable with a person, you start sharing your past. I think that is the first red flag she saw. She should have stopped there, but she didn't. So what she did was, gradually they talked, and जब वो comfortable हुई साहिल के साथ, तो उसने अपना पास्ट शेयर किया कि वो एक बंदे के साथ पहले रिलेशनशिप में रह चुकी है, और उसके नाम का उसने टैटू भी करा रखा है. दैट इज़ द सरप्राइज कि एक पास्ट में एक रिलेशनशिप था, और उसने टैटू भी करा रखा है एक प्रवीण नाम के लड़के का. तो साहिल इनिशियली ही डिडंट ओवर रिएक्ट, वो बोला कि ठीक है सबका पास्ट होता है, इट्स फाइन, ही एक्सेप्टेड इट एंड ही मूव फॉरवर्ड. बट बैक ऑफ द माइंड विथ एवरीवन, इवन मी, इवन यू गाइज, सबके बैक ऑफ द माइंड वो रहता है कि येस दैट शी वाज इन अ रिलेशनशिप इन द पास्ट, वी एक्सेप्ट दैट, but still that's still there, and that a little bit of jealousy is there, and that is it's good for a relationship. You feel more more involved into that relationship, but it's fine. But in this case it went way too far with Sahil. So as they passed on, as they moved on in their relationship, so Praveen की re-entry होती है in the May 2023 this year. And so being a good friend, Sakshi, she again started talking with Praveen, and Sahil को किसी तरह ये खबर लग गई कि she is talking to Praveen. So he confronted, like every other boyfriend, he confronted her कि भाई क्या बात है, why are you talking to him? Out of anything, like it can be out of jealousy, it can be just to know what things are going on, and that pissed him off. That really pissed him off. So he reacted to it as he could, as he wanted to. Like he got angry and everything. They stopped talking for a while, but then he again came to his senses and he said that okay, it's fine, no problem. But after that news, after getting to know that she is talking, his anger got out of limit. So Sahil got out of his hands. He started fighting with his friends. वो मतलब उस टाइम कुछ वो होता है ना, भाई टाइप्स बन गया था वहाँ का, उस अपने एरिया का, एंड यूज्ड टू गेट इंडल्ज इनटू अ लॉट ऑफ फाइट्स. सो ये देख के साक्षी गॉट स्कैर्ड. उसने देखा था कि काफ़ी गुस्से वाला है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो व्हाट शी डिड वाज शी डिसाइडेड टू पार्ट अवे फ्रॉम द रिलेशनशिप. सो उसने साहिल को बुलाया एंड दे मेट एंड दे डिसाइडेड दैट वेरी कामली शी सेड दैट, एंड उसने रीज़न बताया कि गुस्सा है एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड it was not because of Praveen that she is breaking up with him. It is not because of him. She made that thing clear. Sahil उस दिन तो उसने कुछ नहीं किया. He said okay, ठीक है, let's part away. But then उसने धीरे धीरे then you go to your friends and you get teased by your friends about your relationship. So वो गुस्सा उसके अंदर भरते गया. और वो क्या किया उसने डेली टेक्स्ट करना शुरू कर दिया साक्षी को अबाउट दिस प्रवीण गाय कि तुमने मेरे से ब्रेकअप किया बिकॉज ऑफ प्रवीण, यू आर टॉकिंग टू हिम, यू आर गेटिंग इनटू अ रिलेशनशिप बैक अगेन विथ हिम, और उसी वजह से तुमने मेरे से ब्रेकअप भी किया है. सो दिस ऑल स्टार्टेड टू मेक साक्षी स्कैर्ड. सो शी स्टार्टेड सो शी वॉज अफ्रेड ऑफ साहिल नाउ कि हाउ विल ही रिएक्ट नोइंग दैट बहुत गुस्से वाला है एंड एवरीथिंग. सो व्हाट शी डिड वाज, तो उसकी 2 फ्रेंड थी. आफ्टर दैट साक्षी गॉट रियली स्कैर्ड. सो उसने क्या किया, अपनी एक फ्रेंड आरती को बताया कि कि साहिल ने ये सब मैसेजेस किया है एंड ही इज़ ट्राइंग टू फोर्स दिस रिलेशनशिप ऑन मी. तो आरती बीइंग अ गुड फ्रेंड ऑफ हर, तो उसने एक लोकल बंदे को, जब लोकल भाई होता है अगेन, शी रीच्ड आउट टू हिम, कॉल्ड द गाय नेम इज़ झुमरू. So the guy name is Jumru. So she reached out to him. और उसने सब केस बताया. उसने बताया कि साहिल करके लड़का है. So Jumru being the bhai of the area and he wanted to show his authority over there. He went to Sahil. He confronted him. उसने बताया कि भाई इन दोनों लड़कियों से दूर रहना है और कुछ उल्टा पुल्टा काम करना नहीं है, ना कोई बकवास करना है, ना आज से मैसेज आना चाहिए तेरा कोई उनके पास. So Sahil भी because he was 20 years, उतना था नहीं उसके पास, and coming from a lower middle class family also, he knew that he had responsibilities, so he took a step back then, and he was scared too कि भाई झुमरू भाई है, he is a known person and known भाई, and he was scared for his life, so he just took a step back. He stopped texting her, but so he stopped texting her, but he was still attracted towards Sakshi, or yeah, so what he did was he started following her. Now after the Jumru thing, he started following Sakshi, following her wherever she went. अब साक्षी का ये था कि she was staying with her friend आरती. वो आरती के घर में रह रही थी for some reason. We don't exactly know what the reason is, but she was staying with her for some work, or maybe for some classes, or maybe some studies. We are not sure about that, but she was with staying with Aarti. So he followed them. He followed both of them. He made a routine that he just noted down what they do, what their days are, what they do, at what time they come back, what time they leave. And so it continued for 15 days when he kept following them. He knew the timetable there. Then what happened is एक उनके कॉमन फ्रेंड का बर्थडे आता है. सो साहिल टेक्स्ट बैक अगेन. उसने टेक्स्ट किया साक्षी को कि उसका बर्थडे है, लेट्स गो टू दैट बर्थडे टुगेदर. ऑल राइट. तो अब साक्षी भी ठीक है कि भाई 15 दिन हो गए हैं, बंदे ने कुछ किया नहीं है और ही डिडंट टेक्स्ट हिम, तो उसने टेक्स्ट भी नहीं किया है, तो फिर ठीक है, लेट्स गो टुगेदर. फिर अब रात को 8 बजे साक्षी निकलती है आरती के घर से. कुछ बहाना देके, आई एम नॉट श्योर क्या बोल के निकलती है. बिकॉज वाई से बहाना इज बिकॉज उसने घर पे नहीं बताया था कि शी इज़ गोइंग टू अ बर्थडे पार्टी. सो दे केम आउट ऑफ देयर, देन दे रीच्ड अ गली. अब गली को अपने लेन बोलते हैं. सो दे रीच्ड अ लेन इन द सेम शादाब डेयरी एरिया. और वहाँ पे शी गोज इन टू अ वॉशरूम टू चेंज. सो दैट्स वाई आई सेड कि हो सकता है कि शी डिडंट टेल हर फैमिली मेम्बर्स कि भाई मैं कहाँ जा रही हूँ एंड ऑल. सो शी वेंट इनसाइड अ वॉशरूम टू चेंज. इट वॉज अराउंड 8:30 in the night, in the evening rather, and Sahil was standing outside the washroom waiting for her. Then जैसे ही वो निकली, he allowed her to be in the front, like he allowed her to walk in front, and he was just slowly following her. Then there came a building. So there was a L-shaped area over there, which you can see a blind spot. There were no light. So any person from the above of the building won't be able to see until it leans forward the railing and the support that is there. So he took her there. He pushed her to that place. He took out his knife. That was 15 inches long knife, and he kept stabbing her. He stabbed her. He stabbed her. He stabbed her. He stabbed her. He kept stabbing her 34 times. And the sad part is 25 people, they were in the video. I'll share the link of that video. So 25 people, they passed by Sahil. He was doing that, and he was enraged. He was angry. You can see in the video how angry he was. He kept shouting out. So उस वीडियो में ऑडियो उतनी अच्छी है नहीं. So he kept shouting at her. You can look at his face. He was very very angry, very furious. He पूरा frustration उसने निकाल दिया साक्षी पे. He kept stabbing her. He kept stabbing her for like 34 times. People passed by her, but nobody dared to stop Sahil because maybe they were scared for their own life. उसके हाथ में एक knife भी था. Then he, after stabbing her 34 times, he walked past. He just went by walking. Then after like 10-15 seconds, he came back again. He took a rock, which was already there, and he smashed it on her head. And it was like, I think 10 times he smashed that rock on her head. Just imagine the kind of anger and the level of frustration that is required, and the inhumanity that is required to do such an insane task. I actually cannot think at the level what he was going through, because he has done a very inhuman task. बहुत ही शर्मनाक काम है. But it could have been avoided if few people who were there could have reacted. But sadly, no one did. So after murdering her, so Sahil knew that उसने फ़ोन ऑफ कर लिया फिर मर्डर करने के बाद. He just went. तो वो भागा नहीं वहाँ से. If you see the video, he just went by walking. वो धीरे धीरे चल के अपने गली से निकल के अपने घर तक पहुँचा. बट जब घर पहुँचा उसने अपना मोबाइल ऑफ कर लिया था. एंड ही थॉट दैट बिकॉज मर्डर तो हो चुका है, सो पुलिस विल ऑलवेज बी देयर टू इन्वेस्टिगेट. तो जब पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेट करेगी तो सबसे पहले वो साहिल के घर ही जाके देखेगी, बिकॉज फुटेज तो है उनके पास ऑलरेडी. दे नो कि किसने किया है. सो व्हाट ही डिड वाज ही टुक अ बस फ्रॉम दिल्ली टू बुलंदशहर इन उत्तर प्रदेश, जहाँ उसकी मौसी रहती थी. सो ही टुक अ बस टू बुलंदशहर एंड ही गोज टू देयर टू हिज मौसीज हाउस. और वहाँ जाके जब मौसी पूछती कि तुम यहाँ पे कैसे आए हो, मतलब क्यों आए हो, क्या काम है, एज इन मतलब एक नॉर्मल कॉन्वर्सेशन, ऐसे नहीं कि तुम भाई क्यों आए हो. तो ही सेज दैट नहीं, ये काम से आया हूँ एंड आई लीव इन द मॉर्निंग. They are like, okay, it's fine. So he stays there overnight. Police आती है investigate करने के लिए. They take the footage. They know who the person is. They goes to Sahil's house. Number trace करते हैं, but number off रहता है, so they are not able to trace up until a further location. Then they investigate his parents, Sahil. They were very decent people, you know. They didn't know what Sahil was going through or what he has done. And when they were investigated by the police, तो उन्हें बोला कि बेटा घर आया ही नहीं है शाम से. So then police asked them further कि भाई कहाँ जा सकता है वो, अगर घर नहीं आया तो what are the other places he can be at. They being simple people, उन्होंने बता दिया कि हो सकता है यहाँ पे होगा अपने मासी के घर बुलंदशहर में. So a team of police just leaves Bulandshahr immediately, and the next morning before he fleds away or before he flees, उन्होंने उसको पकड़ लिया बुलंदशहर से. So the news of this murder reaches the media, and you know how media do things, how they magnify the state of the act. So what they did was they gave it another angle, altogether another angle over there. They didn't have any proof. Till date they don't have any proof. They made it a love jihad kind of a case. Because they were old pictures, उनको पुराने pictures मिले थे साहिल के जहाँ पे वो रुद्राक्ष पहन के रखा है, and he is having some kind of this one what we Hindu wear it. So उसके हाथ में था वो, and they just created a love jihad case over there. So the thing is कि there is no repent कि मतलब उसने पहले तो murder किया है, that is a sinful act altogether. Plus उसने एक अंडर एज लड़की को मारा है, शी वॉज नॉट 18, ठीक है. देन आई थिंक द पर्सन ओवर देयर हु पास्ड बाई दैट गर्ल गेटिंग मर्डर्ड शुड ऑल्सो बी इन क्वेश्चन, बिकॉज फुटेज तो है हमारे पास. उनसे पूछना तो चाहिए कि भाई तुमने रोका क्यों नहीं, उसे करते हुए. आई थिंक दैट कुड हैव आंसर्ड अ लॉट मोर थिंग्स, एंड वी नीड दिस फ्यू एक्टिविस्ट who do stuff like this. We need those activists to come in, to pitch in, and make the public understand that how to react in such situations. I don't want to be at the receiving end, trust me. And if I see something, I'll definitely stop. Even it can, I can also get hurt in that case, but it will all be for good. मतलब अच्छे के लिए ही होगा. मुझे देख के हो सकता है कि 2-4 लोग को और हिम्मत आए. So हमें all should take that initiative. एंड जितना हो सके हम इस चीज़ को वो करें, फैलाएं कि भाई वी आर रेस्पॉन्सिबल एज अ सिटीज़न ऑल्सो. ज़रूरी नहीं है कि हमारी रेस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सिर्फ घर तक लिमिट है, हमारी फैमिली तक लिमिटेड है, नहीं. वी ऑल्सो रेस्पॉन्सिबल टूवर्ड्स द अदर पीपल ऑल्सो. अदर सब नेचर का ही एरिया हुआ है, सो वी शुड ऑल बी रेस्पॉन्सिबल. एंड इसी के साथ वी एंड दिस केस. तो एंडिंग दिस केस ऑन अ नोट दैट द sentence is not yet out for Sahil, but considering the law situation in our country, it will take some time for court to announce a sentence. So let us just hope, and we can just hope and wait that Sahil gets what he deserved, and he will surely get, because all the evidences are against him, and I think by now he would have accepted that yes, he did that murder out of rage and anger and out of jealousy. So yeah, by this let's end today's case. Stay tuned for more murder mysteries and show your love and support. I really need them. Thank you guys. See you again with another